They would have come off just as easily if you didn't do this. Fabrication. Take 2 of this entire video. Let's go.
Alright. Hey everyone, John and Kenny here. Today we're going to be doing the installation of my OEM big brake kit for my 350Z. Now last time we were making the shims that unfortunately my calipers did not come with. And then I ended up going online and I saw a picture of them, and unfortunately we missed something, and there is another cap that we did not incorporate into ours. I searched far and wide all over the internet for them, couldn't find them anywhere for sale at a decent price at least.
Tried to find them at parts stores same day. That wasn't happening.
Yeah, that was funny. So long story short, I ended up being able to get in contact with Brembo, and they were able to ship me a set from Germany super cheap. So here we are, 3 weeks later.
It literally took like 3 weeks for those to get here. That's really stupid.
Yep.
Oh well.
Everything's been test fitted. Luckily, the pads work. Everything, all the hardware works right. We have some track pads from Dynamic Friction. These were super cheap, and we're going to be just testing them out for now, running them at a few HPDs, seeing how they do. Then we have some boring new hardware. And then to top it off, we're going to be installing some nice stainless steel braided brake lines from Z1. These are super high quality. So
okay, I might just be poor, but I really wanted to say something about this because every time I've ever bought stainless braided brake lines, I have to first put this entire line on the flare nut in the car and spin the whole thing around to tighten it down and then hook up the other end. This spins. I might just be poor, but I've never seen this. All right, anyway, we'll see you when it's dark out after we jack this car up. Oh, this is so sketchy how we need to do this. Whoever left a comment on my other video to tell me to get a jack, thank you for being concerned with my safety, but this is what happens when we have normal jacks. Why does the tie rod sit below the lower control arm?
Because this car's body dropped.
Why though? It's like soft line into a bracket, into another soft line, into a bracket, into another soft line that goes down to the caliper. See how many people in the comments section make fun of you for this.
I don't care. I always do it. Those last rotors came off so easily. I've never had a vehicle that the rotors came off easily.
Yeah, they would have come off just as easily if you didn't do this. There we go, look at that. Ah.
Yay! Let's see. Oh, the shit's all the way over there. Great.
All right, well, get me the other brake rotor so I know that this isn't like a chop the dust shield situation. Uh-oh, they're enormous. No, just grab an angle grinder. We just gotta cut the lip off.
That's it. I want a refund for these rotors, all $12.
Oh my God. Oh God. we're basically done here with actually installing the calipers, pads, and rotors. John's just finishing up the front right here. It's currently 11:42. We do have to bleed the brakes in all four corners, which is going to be really interesting because each one of these calipers has 2 bleeder screws on it, one on the inside and one on the outside. The one on the outside here and then one back here. I don't know if you can even see that because I don't have a light on me, but I'm assuming this is going to be somewhere along the lines of how you bleed brakes normally, where you start from the furthest away and work your way closer. So we're going to have to do passenger rear outer, passenger rear inner, driver rear outer and inner, passenger front outer and inner, and then driver front outer and inner. And then that should do something. I don't fucking know. You look like you're having a really good time. Yep. Just in case anybody actually cares, I was wrong there. The proper bleed procedure is you have to start with the outside bleed screw first, then go to the inside, and then go back to the outside again. Right before we went to bleed these, we had one caliper that we didn't put the Brembo sticker on yet because I just wanted to record it. So John went to clean this, and it just took the crappy half a layer of paint that we put on here right off, so that was cool. Because we had extra stickers, we tried to put another sticker on top of this and it just wouldn't stay, but I managed to get the Brembo logo on there. Kinda. That concludes this little adventure.
That's it.
It's a little after 1 in the morning, but we're good. John has to go to work in this same building in
About
I think
4.5
hours. Yeah, but at least the calipers are on. Everything's bled. Everything's good. A lot faster than I did my brakes, but
went pretty smoothly, except for
RIP
the little paint thing.
RIP the paint on this one caliper, but I think we're good.
All right, thanks everyone. If you don't see me next time, then something went wrong with the brakes.
Oh my god. I'll let you guys know if he dies, but I'm pretty sure we'll be fine. Next episode, I don't know what the hell we're doing.
You're exhausted
Is
by
that what's
wheels and
happening?
tires.